Welcome to Mt.McKinley Wilderness Lodge in Alaska. Today, join Sea Lake Journeys as we do a taste test and meet an animal scat expert.
What happened?
The animals are coming eating these little buds off things.
Yeah, because look at that big pile of poop right there.
I wonder what poop that poop.
That looks like a moose poop.
You think that's moose poop?
Yeah, it ain't deer. It's too big to be deer.
It's too big. Well, I haven't seen any deer.
The caribou's about the same size, so.
So we need a poop expert.
Yeah, a sign with drawings and pictures and scratch and sniff tables.
Yes.
Of all the animal poop.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's exactly what we need. But see, he's been coming eating the little
things off of there, yeah.
Things off that tree.
So, I'm thinking it's probably
So we need a poop master.
A poop master. That'd be a good job for somebody at a
It
place
would be
like
a great job for somebody, wouldn't it?
Why don't you do it?
I don't know anything about poop.
How long was it going to take you to learn?
You're the one that knew more about that poop than I did.
There's only 8 animals that live here in this whole place. There's only 8.
The bird, he's going, go.
Okay. Alcoholic. Okay, Sea Lake Journey crew, we've got Moose's Tooth. Yeah, that's right, Moose's Tooth root beer. How about that? We're up here in Alaska, and we're going to give this a whirl because I've never seen it. Who knows what's going to happen? I might turn into a moose.
That's really good.
Is that?
As long as you don't go pooping outside.
I probably will.
Well, the moose poop is right over there by the tree.
Possible side effects are pooping outside. So that's what I'm hearing anyway. From an anonymous source, his initials are Dano.
Attention, ladies and gentlemen, it has come to our attention that we have found a poop expert.
I tell you, I'm experienced with the moose poop thing, by the way.
What was that?
I'm experienced with the moose poop.
Okay.
I tell you what, next time you see one, just pick it up. It doesn't stink, it's not sticky, and you crack it open and there's nothing but sawdust in there.
That's right.
Because those mooses are doing nothing but eating wood and trees, leaves, and it's all sawdust.
As crazy as that sounds, it's true, y'all. Let's try the root beer now.
Well, they were, that tree, they must have been eating little buds. Now come
Now I gotta go. Gotta go to the bathroom, y'all. See ya.
Yeah. If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member. Or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.